My name is Tim Staples. I'm the Director of Apologetics and Evangelization at Catholic Answers. What can I say about Charbel Raish and these wonderful men and women of Parousia Media? I have worked with these folks for 9 years, 5 trips to Australia, thousands of miles traveled, and thousands of souls ministered to and transformed. Folks, I have not seen anywhere in the world an organization any better and more filled with the love of Jesus Christ than Parousia Media. These folks are transforming Australia and beyond now. Can I encourage you? Get on board with Parousia Media. Get involved. Check out their website at parousiamedia.com.